Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this very cute, very easy, and very fast flower to crochet. You can add it to hats, you can add it to anything, or just make it into a really cute pair of earrings. Let's jump ahead into the materials and let's get started. Before we do, if you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a quick comment down below, but most importantly, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, to begin the flower, we do just want to make a magic ring or a magic loop. If you do not know how to do that, I do have a video demonstrating. You can click the link above here. But once you do have that, you want to just chain up one. Now, this does not count as a stitch. And then from here on out, what we want to do is we simply want to place one single crochet into the ring. We're going to do that 9 times. So there's our first stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then just continue to do this until you have 9 stitches. Now that you have your 9 single crochets, we're going to pull our magic ring tight, just like that. And now what we want to do is just simply join with a slip stitch onto our first stitch. So right here, not under the chain, but just into that first stitch, you're going to slip stitch, chain 1, and now go ahead and cut that off and grab your white yarn, because we are now going to start on to the next portion. Now we're going to join our white yarn onto our pink. You can just pick any stitch, and then we're going to chain up 2, 1, 2, let me get that focus there, and 3. So we're going to chain 3, and now into that same stitch you are going to work 4 more double crochets into that space. So this chain 3 does count as your first space. So going back into that space, here is 1, do 2, 3, and then 1 more for 4. Okay, so just like that, we have our 4 plus our chain 2. Now into the next stitch here, we are going to make a slip stitch. So just go in and pull through. Okay, so now into our next stitch, we are going to place 5 double crochets into the same stitch, and then into the following stitch, we'll make a slip stitch. 5 double crochets into the next stitch, and then 1 slip stitch until you have all your petals and you make it back around. This is what it looks like. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, and then our last stitch is going to be right here, so it is going to be a slip stitch, and then you're done. That's all there is to it. Now you want to chain up 1. I'm going to be sewing this onto a hat, so I'm going to leave quite a bit of a tail, but that's it. That's how you make this super easy, cute flower. I hope you guys liked today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out, especially if you give this video a thumbs up and just leave me a quick comment down below. It really does help bring traffic to my channel, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you all next time for another crochet video over here on Dream9 Designs Yarn Corner of YouTube.